Hey guys, you're welcome again to my channel. Today I'm going to show you not one but 5 wall art DIY that you can make. Anybody can make this. You don't need to be particularly creative to make this project. So let me show you how. So we're kicking things off with this leaf DIY. I really don't know what to call it, but it's so easy. I picked up that plant from the side of the road, and all I did was just put it in a frame, put a back cover, a white back cover on it, and just frame it up. Like literally anybody can do this. If you've never done a DIY before, try this one. This next one, which I absolutely love, is just flowers on canvas. Like, that's it. Just get your canvas. If you don't have a canvas, you can make one by just nailing fabric on wood and arrange your flowers on it. Like, when you're fine with the arrangement, then you now start to glue it down. Like, you guys, so easy. I'm giving you easy art projects that you can do. Like, you have no excuse. You have to try this. You can use any type of glue that you want. For me, I found these glue dots very easy to use and very convenient, so that's why I used them. And they worked pretty well. They had a really strong hold. So all I did was to glue down the flowers where I wanted them to be, and voila, that is it. Then I went on to trim the ends that were sticking out. You know that there's a wire in between. So I just cut around the plastic, and then I just turned that stalk like back and forth until the wire cut off. It's pretty easy once you get a hang of it. This one is very dear to my heart because these were the vows that I made to my husband on our wedding day, and I thought it would be nice to have them framed up. So all I did was just print it out on printer paper and frame it up. You can use any application like Canva or even Microsoft Word, and I like the typewriter print, so that's what I used here. Similar concept for this one. All I did was just Google free printable art. That's it. Like, there's so many options. Just check different websites. They're free ones, but please remember not to resell because, you know, it's someone's intellectual property. So please be careful about that. And do the same thing, guys. Put it in the center of the frame. Use a white backing or whatever backing you see fit, and that's it. Like, when I was building my bar cart, I knew I wanted a frame that said, "It's cocktail o'clock." I know it sounds cheesy, but it's so nice. So all I did was this frame that I bought from Poundland, and then I just used like stickers to form the words that I wanted. The backing that I used here is actually contact paper, but you can use anything that you want, like anything at all. So you can even use wrapping paper, whatever you feel like. Plan where you want to put the words, and then using a piece of paper just to make sure that you're sticking on a straight line, just start sticking your words down. It might take a bit of time because it takes a while to get them aligned the way you want, but just keep going at it, keep sticking, keep rearranging till you're happy with what you've made. Now once you're done, simply press down and frame it. Like, guys, does it get easier than this? I don't know how many times I'm going to say, does it get easier than this? So there you have it, guys. 5 wall art ideas that you can literally make in your sleep. I really hope you try this. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell.